Hey guys, how's it going? This is a trick that I have been working on for a while and I hope y'all guys enjoy. Do y'all know what this is? It's a little 8-ball piece of paper. What we're gonna do, eight ball. It is a real 8-ball. And what I would do is I would let someone pass it around. They can check it out. It's all real. And I would get a coin. It's right there. I'd get a coin, right? And what I would do with the coin is I would ask someone to sign it, right? Here, let me get a pen. Here, let's put this 8-ball right here. I would get a pen or a Sharpie, it doesn't matter. And you would sign right across the name of it. However you want. So, I put my initials right there, DB. Or anybody, the spectator would. Dry it off, right there. Then what you do is they'll give it back to the spectator. Spectator will grab it, right? And make it right there into the ball. Watch. Very slowly. Just like that. The coin falls right out of the 8-ball. And it is the signed coin.